Hello everyone, I'm John and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to install the 2-inch ZWO electronic filter wheel. Now before we will begin installing the filters, let's go first on the ZWO website. What is important is here the weight. Says only 650 grams, the 7-position end filter wheel. It will work with and be powered with an USB 2.0 cable and control mode as command SDK. Free of driver. So you won't need to install any driver, you need to have ASCOM platform installed. This filter wheel will work also with thread-in filters like these ones, that you can also mount them on other accessories, and with these unmounted filters, 50.4 millimeters, and you can see here the sizes. We have also accessories to mount these unmounted filters, a bag of filter mask for 50 millimeters filters, darkening ring set. So here you can check also the accessories. In this video I will install thread-in filters, the Optolong LRGB set, also a set of narrowband filters. First, after you unbox the filter wheel, you'll notice that there is no way to just open it like pressing a button and open the filter wheel. So you'll need to take the screws out and then this cap will go off and you'll be able to install the filters. So this will take a few minutes. It's actually more easy than it looks, even if this filter wheel with the camera and the reducer looks like a mini machine gun, can be a little bit scary if you look it like this, like you don't need to be afraid. It's not complicated, especially for the thread-in filters. Now let's begin and see how I installed the 2-inch filters on the ZWO electronic filter wheel. Okay, so now we should be able to take it apart. We took the cap off. They are already numbered. You can see the numbers. Let's dust it off a little bit. We will start by installing the LRGB filter set from Optolong. And we'll start with luminance. ZWO filters are cheaper, but I don't think they are actually what they write, especially the OIII that I've tested. And I hope I'll get also receive also on Optolong narrowband filters to compare with these cheaper filters and show you the difference. And the next step, it should be to just place the cap on. And we'll do that. I want to mention that we have also darkening ring that can be placed between the filter wheel and the camera or accessories and help prevent external light to hit the sensor, like moonlight if you have the full moon or street light. But I haven't used that in this video. I just went for the fast installation of the filters. This is the Touptek Astro 2600 monochrome sensor camera using the MX571 sensor. It's a 26 megapixels camera that I'll be using with this setup. So we finished installing the filters we have here. Also, it's important to know that it's good to have the adapters needed. You can check also your camera to see what adapters are needed. And I also needed another 2 extension tubes here to get close to the proper backfocus distance. I still need to change one to get one smaller, I believe 2 millimeters instead of 4. So currently I think I have about 2 millimeters extra, and probably on the first test that I'll show you now, I had like 6 millimeters. So it's important also to get the back focus right. Now let's go in INA and I want to show you how to configure and test the ZWO electronic filter wheel. Filter wheel. refresh. Let's connect it. I'm not sure why it's not slot 1 and it's slot 0. Let's see options, equipment. Okay, position. Here I believe, yeah, position 1, slot 0. I think here we name it. This will be L, luminance. And here will be R. And here will be G, LRGB. And slot 4 will be H alpha filter. Slot change will be oxygen 3. And so 6 S2. Okay. 7 position filter wheel. So let's leave everything for the moment default. And now let's check. We have light and we can go red. Let's change it. And we'll go with 4 times spinning and we'll go 2 seconds, yeah. Loop. And let's change to red and we'll see the difference. Yeah, we see some difference, not so much here on the LRGB filter because we still have enough signal, but luminance should be the brightest one. Let's go blue, change, and from blue, if we go light, luminance, we should see a difference. Yeah, now there is. Now let's see H alpha. Here we should be more noticeable. H alpha, let's go luminance again, and yeah, it works. And let's see if we change the filters here from light to red. Let's see how it will change, and let's see change. Okay, so see how it changed the luminosity. Green, even lower, and let's see blue. Oh, also low light in blue. H alpha. H alpha is very dark now, it seems, of 3. And S2. So it works. Luminance again. Change. Okay, works very nice. Well, I hope you find this video useful. And if you'll buy the ZWO electronic filter wheel, you'll be able to install the filters faster and start imaging in no time. By the way, affiliate links are available in the description. You can use it if you want to support the channel. And of course, you can also join the channel membership if you want to support the channel more. And there you'll be able to have access also to my astrophotography data that you can download and process it. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Hit the like button if you did. And until next time, I wish you clear sky.